Howdy, this is Lemmy with Dorman Products, here to talk to you today about our battery wedge bolt repair kits that fit a host of vehicles, including a heck of a lot of Ford and General Motors cars and trucks. First, let me complain about these things for a second. Holy smokes, was Rube Goldberg the engineer on this project? This has to be the most convoluted way to attach a terminal to a battery post. If you're nodding along with me, you know the issues here. The most common failure is when the bolt or wedges rust out or go missing, and as you've likely experienced, that happens when a customer ignores their battery for a good long time and you pop the hood and there's a green furry monster living on one or both of the terminals. Now, the OE manufacturers don't sell these pieces separately. In most cases, you've got to either buy the whole terminal or worse, sometimes the whole dang cable. We didn't like that, so we put together these handy kits that have the two common wedge sizes in the box as well as the corresponding bolts and two backup bolts of both sizes, since that's usually what goes bad on these first. One kit might cover one terminal, so if you need wedges for both sides of a battery, you'd order two kits, but you'll have additional repair pieces left over for future work. Since this is a common issue and this is a low-cost item, it might make sense for you to order one and stock it on the shelf so you can get a car out of the bay and reorder at your leisure. For most professionals, repair trumps replacement, and this is a great way to keep parts and labor low for a good customer instead of charging for an expensive battery cable and the labor to install it if all that's wrong is some corroded hardware. Remember, we also have other pieces to refresh a tired cable, like battery fuses and terminals too. We hope you like this new solution, and remember, if you need anything at all, the Dorman Technical Support team is always handy to help. Thanks for checking out our video on battery wedge bolts. I'm Lem, I'm out of here.